Morning. Give me 1 second, guys. 1 second. What's good, boys and girls? What's good? What's happening? Let's wait for everyone to get in here. Look at this view. What's up, Crispy? What up, Crispy? Rushil, what's happening, bro? Mr. Rushil. Mr. Rushil. Mr. Rushil. Bye. You know what the going on, though. Good morning from Germany. What's up? What's up, Germany? What's up, Germany? Just posting that we are live for everybody in cloudy. Yeah, it is Europe, you know. Cannot be helped. Just posting in the Telegram that we are live, and then we get to it. My mood is good. My mood is always good, bro. What do you mean? When have you ever seen me not in a good mood? When have you ever seen me not in a good mood? I'm always in a good mood, brother. Yeah, I had great day. Great day in the Signals channel. Great day in the Signals channel. These are the trades I called out in the Signals channel this morning right here. Euro GBP, USD CHF, GBP USD, Euro USD, USD CAD. And then we just closed them about, when was that? About an hour ago. 1.6k profit. And this is for the week. This is for the week in the Signals channel so far. 2.6k. Just this week in the Signals. So yeah, it's been a good day. It's been a good week. I haven't caught any trades on gold yet. I was looking for sales below here. We got the closure below, but then closed straight back above without breaking the lows. So there was no trade there. There were some good signals from the indicator. Some good V5 signals here. This one was about 36 pips profit. And then we had the buy over here for about 45 pips profit. So 36 pip profit there, 45 pips profit there. From the indicator, and yeah. Yes, sir, you know the deal. What's up, Takari? What's up, Hugo? Can we sell? How's it going? What's up, Matt? When gold isn't going the good way? What do you mean? Gold's just doing what he's got to do right now. We're at all-time highs. You know, gold is at all-time highs, so gonna play around a little bit. Gotta do what it's got to do. We just sit back and we watch, you know. We sit back and we watch. What's up, Ben? How are you, Ben? I got the football down here. Down at my feet to keep me, you know, keep me moving, keep the legs moving. Keep the legs moving, keep the body moving. But as of right now, I will not be looking at sales. Where we can start to look at sales is below this area right here, right? Down to fill this range. Once we come below here. But as of right now, I'm just looking at buys, which would be above this level right here, the 2478945 level. And then we can look to come up and fill this range in here. Up into what is that? Up into the 2482420 level. All right, so this is where we're looking for buys. We're looking for price to come and fill this range right here. A very nice range, very attractive range. Something I'm looking at about 35 pips. And if not, if we're gonna come down, then we can look at sales below here potentially. But as of right now, as price is in this area, there's nothing for me. Nothing in here. Now, if we start breaking above this area, which is the indicator level, this yellow chart, yellow zone that you can see on the chart right here, then I may potentially look at something depending on the price action. But as of right now, buys above. Buys above 2478945. Traveling to China tomorrow. Let's go, Ben. What are you going to China for, bro? That's 23 pips. What's up, Vic? Working, nice, bro. What are you doing for work in China? Nice music. I'm just getting in the mood, you know. Argentina won the Copa America. You know, I'm kind of getting in that Latin vibe, man. You know what? Let me change this. I put in happy. It's supposed to be happy music, but you know, let me try something else. Let me try funky. What about funky? What do we get with funky? Try that one. Let us try that one. Yeah, I'm good, Vic. I'm good, bro. Great day today. Great day. In the signals channel. Absolute beauty of a day. These were the signals I sent out this morning. Closed all of them about an hour ago for 1.6 profit. And so far this week we're 2.6 from the signal channel. So it's been a great week. It's been a great day. It's been a great week. Everybody's eating off the signal channel right now. What's up, D? My man D. Meeting my Chinese client. Oh, nice, Ben. That sounds a bit sus, I'm not gonna lie, but you know. Nah, I'm only joking. Let's see what gold gives us today. What's GJ doing? How's GJ performing today? Oh, look at that. Look at that sell signal from the V5 indicator. 128 pips from that sell signal right there. What a beauty. And we got a break and retest of these V5 indicator key levels right here. We got a break and retest right here. We got a break of this level. And then look where price is coming down into. These levels. This level was given in the weekly outlook. Boom, look at that. Tap straight into it. What a beauty. What a bloody beauty, mate. And 28 pips, sell signal on GJ. Crazy times, man. Crazy times. Do I only trade one pair? I only scalp one pair. I only scalp and you know, day trade gold. But I swing trade and you know, you can call it day trade as well. A lot of other forex pairs, some indices, sometimes some crypto, some commodities. But I do swing trade, and that's what the signals channel is provided from. If you have a look right here in the signals channel, we've got NZD USD, Euro CAD, Euro AUD, GBP AUD, GBP CAD, GBP NZD, NZD CHF, you know. Do you use different strategies? Yeah, for scalping, it's a different strategy than it is for the swing. It's still based on price action. It's still similar concepts, but just a lot more zoomed out. And yeah, it's not exactly the same, but it's similar concepts. What does the V5 indicator do? The V5 indicator gives you all these levels that you see on the chart right now. It gives you the key levels. It gives you the buy and sell signals. It gives you the trading windows, which you can see this green highlighted area is the best time to trade. You have two trading windows. You got the green one and the brownish one over here. These are the best times to trade. It gives you the data table in the top right, which will pop up now, which shows you your bias, your weekly, daily, 4-hour bias, all showing bullish. That is also why I'm looking for buys. And once you get a signal, it will pop up with your, let me just show you guys real quick. It will pop up, as you can see, with the entry, exact entry right here, stop loss, take profit 1, take profit 2, right? Gives you all your levels. Basically, it's just my strategy coded into an indicator log. It's just a couple of my strategies coded into a TradingView indicator. That's it. My view on gold is to continue bullish eventually, and I'm going to be looking for buys above the 2478 945 area here. If you guys on TikTok want to see the full chart, the levels, much better streaming experience, come over to YouTube. We are live on YouTube, Forex with Cody. Come check us out. Where can I get the bullish bearish thing? That's my indicator, Alan. Like I said, the indicator is the trading windows, the key levels, the sell signals, the data box up here with the bias. Just you go to my TikTok profile, click the link, and it'll be in there, my brother. It will be in there. Well, let's see. Let's see if we can get the buys. Why am I looking for buys today, guys? Can anybody tell you? Subscribe to my YouTube. Let's go, Glog. Let's go, Glog. All right, let me just pull up this. Let me just pull up this over here. Ready? Glog, subscribe to the YouTube channel. That is a living legend right there, if I've ever seen one. The boy Glog. The man, the myth, the legend. Frankie B. There we go. Another round of applause for Frankie B. Why am I looking for buys right now? Because we have had a 12-hour closure. The first 12-hour candle of the day. Right? Right here. The 12-hour bullish candle closure has the Asian session pre-London 12-hour candle has closed bullish. So now it gives the second 12-hour candle the opportunity to continue bullish, right? And again, if we look at, let's take a look at the chart right here. Since Monday right here, it's played out perfectly this week so far from the 12-hour perspective, right? Because here's Monday. This is Monday right here. This is Monday's first 12-hour candle. Now you get two 12-hour candles in a daily candle. The first 12-hour candle closed bullish on Monday. The second 12-hour candle continued bullish by what? 258 pips. Moving on to Tuesday. The first 12-hour candle on Tuesday closed bullish. And the second 12-hour candle on Tuesday continued bullish by over 300 pips. Right? So again, today, the first 12-hour candle has closed bullish. There's an opportunity now and a good potential that this second 12-hour candle of the day can continue bullish, breaking highs here and moving up into these areas, right? Which would be creating those all-time highs again. All right, so that is one of the reasons I'm looking for buys right now. So let's just wait and see. Let's just wait and see. Let's wait and see. Right now, do some kick-ups. Bum, 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 bum. Power bullish closure. Let's go. If price was about to break the previous 12-hour high, but high impact news was also about to come out, would you wait or go with the entry anyway? That's a good question. I would wait. I would wait to get the clearest entry with minimal risk. I would wait for the high impact news to pass, and then I would look at re-entering again once that happens. Yo, Mees, what's up, bro? What's good? What's good? What's good? Man, I'm still sick. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I cannot get rid of this sickness, man. Ah. I'm good, bro. I'm good. Good day today, man. Insane week so far. Yeah, I mean, I'm sure you guys have seen. Just undefeated right now. Rabbi, what's up, Rabbi? Hello, hello. So right now the safe buys would be above 2478 945, but you know, depending how price starts to react around here, there could be some buys on the card in here, right? Could be some buys on the card in this area, but safe buys for me would be to come and fill this range, 35 pip range to fill right here. And then if price starts breaking down, if we want to look at sells, we need to start seeing bearish market structure, right? Because as of right now, we've created, you know, we kind of broke out of this bearish structure right here. If you guys have a look, we've got the highs, lows, kind of lower highs in here, lower lows. And then we had this sharp move to the upside, right? This is break of structure now. If we look in this area right here, what price has done has broke, made new highs, lows. Now we've made potentially lower, higher lows, and we can continue bullish, right? And we broke that bearish structure to the left. We've retested it in here, and price is trying to continue bullish here. So if we was going to look at any kind of sells, any sell setups right now, we'd want to see price start coming down here, breaking these lows to the left, pulling back, and then start selling off again, right? And then we can start looking at sells. But as of right now, bullish market structure, 12 hours bullish, 4 hours bullish. So yeah, we just gotta wait for confirmations. Where's the music? You're doing viewer requests. The music is just I can't play no actual music because you get copyrighted on YouTube, especially. So I have to use this right here, which is the YouTube audio library, which is basically just copyright free music, but it's just soundtracks, beats, and it's all pretty like commercial, sounds pretty shit. So fortunately we have to listen to that if I don't want to get copyrighted. No, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. Is this gold? Yeah, this is gold. What's up, K-Car? What's up, brother? My brother. My brother. You have a mix from SoundCloud? Is it copyright free though? Because I know a lot of people, like if they put their music anywhere else, they might upload it to SoundCloud, but they will still potentially upload it to like Spotify or something, or have something that finds their music that if you play it, you just get fucked. You just get copyright strike, man. What's up, Seal? Can you move to see number? Whale. I can't do that, brother, on TikTok because we've been banned for doing that before. I got like a 7-day ban. So we have to hide the numbers. If you want to see them, come over to YouTube, Forex with Cody on YouTube. You can see the whole screen, all the levels, all the numbers, everything you want to see is on YouTube. But unfortunately, on TikTok, we can't show them. Where are you streaming? What do you mean? TikTok and YouTube. TikTok, YouTube. 1 hour recording from a party. What kind of music is in there though? Is it like lyrics? You got COVID, KK? Bro, I've been sick now for this last week. I'm feeling a lot better, but now I'm just stuck with like sinus shit, like weird shit, bro. What's going on with this music? What's it at? Do you guys hear it or not? Thanks again for the signal. Let's go, Seal. That USD CHF signal was insane. That thing was dropping. What's up, JD? JD came over from the TikTok. Round of applause for JD. Anyone who comes over from the TikTok to the YouTube is instantly a legend in my book. Don't ask me why, but you just are, right? That means the plan is working. The plan is working. I'm not going to tell you the plan, but it's working. Trust me. Where's this music? Why can I not hear it? You guys can hear it, yeah? What's up, Laser? It's like techno house kind of. All right. Do I day trade? Yeah, day trade, scalp, swing trade. You trade live? If there's a setup, I'll take it. Usually, but usually I trade within this trading window right here. Gold profits. Usually I trade within here, right? This is where I take on most of my trades. But I haven't been able to capture one today yet, so let's see. Let me guess, you're trying to become a YouTuber? This man is a genius. This man is a genius. He deserves a clap. What's up, Sharon? What does yellow line stands for? These are just key levels from the indicator. Oh, so now the music starts. Where the hell did that come from? Why is that so loud? Is that too loud? Search boiler room, contemporary scenes, Cape Town. All right. Send me it, Zorro. Not Zorro, me. Send me it on Instagram. How to start predicting patterns. Stare at the charts. Go through all different time frames. Figure out how the 15-minute hourly candles form within a 4-hour candle. Figure out how the 4-hour candles form within a daily candle. And you will start to see patterns, trust me. It's all about breaking down each time frame. You need to break down the weekly time frame into the daily time frame, right? Seeing those 5 daily candles within one weekly candle and seeing how they close, how they open, where they go, where they reject, when they move, when they pull back, right? So break down. You want to look at the weekly and the daily simultaneously, right? You want to split your charts and then look at how the daily candles form within that weekly candle. And then you want to go down and you want to get the daily time frame and the 4-hour time frame and look at how those 4-hour candles form within the daily candle, and then go down again. Look at how the hourly candles form within the 4-hour candle, and so on and so forth. And you will start to see patterns play out the exact same time. Not the exact same time, but you will see the exact same patterns playing out over and over again. Trust me. Is it best to go off 4-hour candles? 4-hour candles, 4-hour time frame is a beautiful time frame. You got any trading charts to learn patterns? I want to start trading. JD, yeah. I mean, if you come to the streams every day, bro, you're gonna see some patterns. You're gonna see some free knowledge, some free game. I've been doing this 8 years now. Anybody who's in the academy will tell you that I know how to trade. But just come to the streams, ask questions, and you will learn something, bro. Trust me. Trust me, my brother. Price action. That is all you need in trading, man. Like I just said, just stare at the charts, figure out, each time frame, how it fits into the other, how the daily fits into the weekly, how the 4-hour fits into the daily, how the hourly fits into the 4-hour, how the 15-minute fits into the 1-hour, and just see how they all just start gluing together. Will gold fly? We'll see, man. We'll see. Laserman Crypto smashed it today. Let's see. I think we can continue bullish here. If this 15 closes bullish, there's the potential to continue bullish. What was that? Sorry guys, one second. I'm just messaging my wife. My wife. But yeah, if this 15 here flips bullish, we've got a break and tap. We've got a nice push up here, pull back, bullish continuation. I think we can come into these highs over here once if we flip bullish and start breaking those previous 15-minute highs there. It's key though, we have to break previous 15-minute highs, all right? Very crucial that we break the highs. Shout out from South Africa. Let's go. What's up? Tao? Is that your name? Tao? Hi Cody, just bumped onto your stream. Interested to know price action review. Let's go. Let's go, bro. How did you find the stream? Just on the homepage? What do you think of the yearly time frame for a trade? Average trade duration 10 years to make 50 bucks with yeah, Frank, go for it, bro. That sounds fucking... I might have a look at that myself, man. That is the definition of swing trading right there. Holding until your last fucking breath on this planet. What strategy do I recommend for beginners? Price action. Price action is all you need. Price action, price action, price action. Price action. You found it on the homepage? That's awesome. That's good. The algorithm is working in my favor. Thank you, YouTube gods. The YouTube gods are looking down on me right now. Do you happen to sell a course I could buy? No, I don't. I don't have a course, no. But I have a Telegram where I send all my trades out, my signals, and all the trades I take. The Academy, right? You got the Discord in there. The Telegram, you have the TradingView indicator. But I do not have a course. Hamiz, what's up, Hamiz? Do you think it will touch 2469 again? I got to sell there. Hit order. What's do you think? That's sell 2469. 2469. I mean, yeah, there's definitely potential. This is daily highs right here. Yesterday's daily highs, right? In this area. So yeah, we can, there's potential for price to come down here. There is a possibility, my friend. There is a possibility. But for me, I'm looking for price to continue bullish now. Bullish. Recommends you on your homepage. Let's go. That's sick. I'm loving that. Thank you, YouTube. Drop the Tapes is the next song. Why is it not playing though? Play, brother. Play. You're in a buy, Rachel? What are you in a buy for, my brother? What's your analysis on that? What's good? Inuel? Inuel. What's your analysis on the buy, Rachel? Do 475. What's your analysis though? What is your analysis on that buy? Hululululu. Appreciate the follow. How would you do price action? What do you mean, Glog? How would I do price action? Ah, man. Do you prefer trading in Oz or UK for time difference? Definitely Australia. Definitely Australia. Trading at 3 p.m. Trading at 3 p.m. is great. And then when daylight savings, it's like it goes to like 4 for a few weeks, and then 5 p.m. So I don't know what price action means. Oh, price action, it basically means just the reading candles, candlestick patterns. You know, reading the charts based on candles, not indicators or you know, all different. My entry time frame, most of my entries come on the 15-minute time frame. Vroom Cola, appreciate the follow. Right, it's getting hot in there. Yeah, man. I think it's wrong entry. What was your analysis, Russia? Why did you enter buys, bro? Let me know, and I'll see if I can help you. Why did you enter buys? This 15 has no... It's also a 30 as well. We've also got the 30 closure. So we've got the 15 closure and the 30 closure. What's up, Spartan? What's up, Spartan? How are you, mate? How are you, mate? Rushel, listen to me. I don't know why you have entered this trade, my brother. I'm trying to ask you to tell me some analysis. Until I know why you've entered the trade, I can't help you, brother. I can't help you. Why have you entered this trade? Tell me your analysis, and I'll see if I can help you. I was a little bit volatile. I mean, yeah, but it's nothing out of the ordinary, is it? It's nothing out of the ordinary. Gold is always volatile, but like 80% of the time, you know. If 15-minute close below previous candle and a retest, then it's continued down to 2467. 467. Okay. I like that, Emma. What's my TP? I'm not in any trade right now. I was looking at buys here, but obviously now it's selling up, right? We wanted price to come up, break highs over here, right? Break these 15 highs and continue bullish, but it hasn't done that. It's still got no top wick, so it could flip, but not bad. Trying to pass my 100k challenge. Looks like the market doesn't know what to do at the moment. I mean, yeah. If you're getting confused and if you're getting a bit overwhelmed with price action on the lower time frames, then the thing to do is start going up to your higher time frames, right? So you're going on to the 4 hour. The 4 hour, if you have a look, currently has the previous 4 hour has closed bullish, and now this 4 hour candle is potentially coming down to create a bottom wick before it flips bullish, right? So overall, for me, this is again why I'm still looking at buys, because price is bullish on the 4 hour. If you look at the structure, bullish. If we go to the 12 hour, bullish. If we go to also potential 12 hour bottom wick being formed before we flip bullish. If you go to the daily, bullish. If you go to the weekly, bullish, right? We're creating all-time highs. We have spiked above this area now, right? So we could be coming back down to retest this. This is a possibility. But if you're getting overwhelmed with, you know, the way that price is currently moving here on the lower time frames, just go back up to the higher time frames, refresh, understand what's happening, and then, you know, go again. What's up, Terrell? Terrell. What's up, Tony? Cody's the GOAT. Just closed all those swings. Let's go, Tony. What a day, bro. What a week. What a day in the signals. What a week. What a day in the signals channel. I agree, we had all-time highs. I think we're not done yet. Yeah. Do you trade sessions? I trade windows, Tao. Am I saying your name correctly? Is it Tao? I trade windows, so you can see the windows on the chart right here. We have the first trading window and we have the second trading window over here. I mainly trade within a window, a 4-hour window, from pre-London session to the 2 hours after London session opens, right? So that's where I enter most of my trades in here. Either this window or the next window. But I don't necessarily trade sessions, I trade windows based on certain candles. That's London. No, it's not London, Asia, New York. It's not. If I turn on my sessions indicator, London session starts here, right? We have a look. This is where London session starts, right? And then once I turn on my trading windows, you can see that my trading window starts over here and finishes here, right? So it's not London, Asia, New York. It's a trading window, right? Because this is where London session starts. But this is where my trading window starts, right? And if you have a look again, this is where, not that. This is where New York session starts right here, where it goes brown, right? This is New York session start, and my trading window starts over here, okay? So here's where New York session starts. This is when I start trading the second window, the first window and the second window. So it's not based on Asian, London, New York session. It's based on certain windows, certain candles. Blue line is a buy for you, Madhav. Imbalance. There's an imbalance here. Oh, my screen just went off. Okay, it's back on. Can you guys tell me if the music is too loud? Or is it okay? Yeah, man, we're killing it. The academy is booming. Yeah, the academy's going crazy right now. How can I get into your signal group? Is it free? No, it's not free. But you'll find the link down. You'll find it in the chat actually, Spartan. You'll see in the chat by their Streamlabs it says join the academy. If you click that link there, you'll find your way to it. What's my position for gold? My position for gold was is buys above 2478945, this level right here. Obviously price is selling off now, so we're just gonna have to wait for candle closures. We have a minute left until 15 closure here, so we'll see if we close below these areas, the 2470 level, or if we reject, or we're just gonna have to wait for candle closures now to see if we're gonna get in any kind of buys here. Sorry, any kind of sells. What are windows? Like, how different are sessions versus windows? It's the same concept, but it's just I believe in a structured, disciplined trading approach. I don't believe in staring at the charts from the second you wake up to the second you go to sleep. I feel that you lose focus, you get very fatigued, you're not able to consistently stay locked in on the charts for that long, you miss opportunities, you get, there's lots of different things, right? So for me, I like to trade certain windows, and that is a 4-hour window. Each window is a 4-hour window where I can trade, where I know that I can structure my day around it. So I know straight away from when I wake up, I go, okay, the first trading window is at this time. I got time to go to the gym. I've got time to drop my daughter off, I've got time to do this, I've got time to do that. But I know as soon as that window opens, I need to be home, I need to be in my office, and I need to start trading, right? So it brings structure, it brings consistency, it brings routine. And that is a set amount of time where I know that I can be focused, right? I know that I can be focused for 4 hours a day, and that's it. All I need to do is be focused for 4 hours a day while I'm scalping gold, and I'm good, right? I don't need to try and be focused for 10 hours a day while I'm sitting there getting fatigued, not eating, not hydrating, not working out, getting unhealthy, right? I know that I can sit at the charts for 4 hours and focus for those 4 hours. And then after that, I start to feel a bit drained. I start to feel a bit fatigued, and I can walk away and, you know, come back for the next trading window, right? So that is what the windows are there for, right? Because that's what I strongly believe in, especially when you're scalping. And these windows are just picked off very like high volume, not high volatile, but high volume points in the market where if you enter a trade and you're following the rules, you're following the indicator, or you're following the key levels or the strategies that I teach, those windows are going to give you the most volume and volatility to push your trade into profit quickly, right? With minimal drawdown for the most part, and give you that nice boost of volume. So we can move. I'm all about managing risk as well, right? So moving stops to break even as soon as possible, becoming risk free, you know, seeing if price can then come and hit your profit targets. But the most important thing for me is that routine, that structure, and risk management, right? Protecting your capital at all costs. It's the most important thing. A lot of people look over this in trading, right? Is the protecting your capital, but that is more important than making profits. More important than anything is protecting the money that you have in this market, because it can be gone in a flash. So yeah, this is what this is all built around, right? What it's all built around. It's so hot in this room. What is going on? When does that for start? It's like pre-London session to just after London session opens, and then the second one is after London session. After New York session starts, you give it like an hour or so, wait for things to settle down, because obviously there's a lot of volume coming in during that pre-New York open. You get a lot of manipulation in the market during that time, so we wait, we let price settle, we let it find its direction, and then we look to get in, just like we did over here. Perfect example right here. This is the second trading window, so this is during New York session. The New York session opens right here, right? You see price push up, you see then whipsaw down, grab liquidity, manipulation, boom, start pushing to the upside. And guess what? You get a nice buy signal here, so you've caught the right move coming up and not get trapped in this pre-New York session open manipulation right here. And you're getting in the market here once the true move, the correct move has started to form, right? You're getting in the buys right here. Price pushes up there for, you know, 180 pips and beyond, right? It continues. So which broker is best for day trader? I use Blackbull Markets. Blackbull Markets. You'll find a link to that in the profile on my TikTok. Good advice. Thanks, man. I think I need it. Let's go. Xavier. Why in MetaTrader 4 is candles different? Because different brokers have different liquidity feeds, different price feeds. So you want to find a broker that matches your chart on TradingView, right? Because I use Oanda on TradingView, but I don't use the broker Oanda to enter my trades. I use Blackbull, but their candle, their price feed, liquidity feed matches Oanda almost, you know, perfectly. So you need to find one that mirrors each other. And I feel Oanda is the most consistent chart to use on TradingView. I've used it the whole time I've traded. I've never used anything else. It's very consistent. And I feel that it's it's the best one to use. So just find one that matches it. Find a broker that matches it. What else we got here? Awesome. Do I trade indices? Yo, what's up, Jordan? Yeah, I do trade indices from time to time. I've had a few entries on indices in the signals channel. I did have one this week. That's, I think. Maybe it was last week. But yeah, I do trade them from time to time. Yeah, there we go. S&P 500 there. S&P 500. What's happening, Jordan? How you doing, bro? You good? JT. Oh, sorry. JT. I just bit my tongue as I said that. JT, just click the link in my TikTok profile and you'll find it. You'll find your way, brother. You'll see. But yeah, gold. Let's see. We had a sell-off here. We got some news coming up. What is this news? Building permits. We got building permits coming up tonight. Let's have a look on Forex Factory real quick at what is happening over here on gold, on USD. Sorry. We got, where are we? Down here. AUD. So we got AUD unemployment rate and employment change in the morning. It's actually not showing anything on USD on Forex Factory, but it is on TradingView, so that's interesting. And 10:30 tomorrow, we've got unemployment claims on USD. Yeah, so it's not. It's saying at 10:30 we got building permits, but it's not showing that on Forex Factory. I don't know. The vibes right here. Damn, I need a charger. I got 3% left. Check the Discord. Check the Discord post my profits part. Okay. What needs to happen? That you go for a short? You see, the way that gold has pushed down here, it's kind of pushed down without creating any structure, right? It's just sold off like very quickly here. This was a 70 pip candle just completely selling off. So it has broken tap into this area and it's now breaking the lows. So there's a potential it can drive bearish, but I would have liked price to just start slowly coming down and creating that structure first of all, right? But we've just heavily sold off here, so I'm not interested in that. My analysis today, my idea was for buys above 2478945. That's what I'm really looking for, but if price is gonna, it might take a while to get there, right? Damn, bro. Jordan. Sheesh. Let's go, man. Is that from the signals? Demand zone 2460. 2460 demand zone. Okay. Okay. And zone. Why is that? Like a zone where you just demand that price reverses and gives you profit? Or is that what it is? Is that what a demand zone is? I demand you to reject and give me profits. You're joking, I know what a demand zone is. I have a buy limit at 2463, says Crispy. 2463, okay, very nice. Jordan, what are those trades from, brother? $1.7K. Sheesh. This Jordan's profits from this week, I think, because I don't think we entered any of those trades today, apart from, but they were from like yesterday, right? 1.7K. We got third pupil, 170. Tommy ended up with 2 break-even trades today. Seal got TP hit, 43 pips. Buy signal from the indicator. Closed half and let the rest run to TP2. Tony with a 28 pips from the 15-minute signal. The indicator signal. Yo, Anthony, appreciate the sub, my brother. Anthony. Jordan just dipped off. He's not gonna answer me. He's not gonna answer me, man. Jordan. Are you there, brother? Yeah, let's see if I can do this. What's the go with gold? My idea today was buys above 2478945 here. 2478945, but obviously that isn't happening yet. Hello, sir. Any chance you can share a tiny bit of my strategy? Ho, JJ. AJ. JJ. What do you guys think? What's the question Jordan asking? No, he's not asking a question. Jordan just came into the YouTube chat and said, check the Discord, the post my profits part. So I checked it and he posted this, which he made 1.7K. I think it's from the signals, right? From the signals that I send out. But I'm just asking him if it is, because those look like the trades that I took yesterday, though. The signals from yesterday, not today, I don't think. So I'm just asking him if they were the signals or not. I mean, do you use support and resistance and price action only? I don't use support and resistance. These are not support and resistance levels. They're not supply and demand, not support and resistance. They are certain candle highs and lows, candle bodies, candle closures, candle opens. So it's all price action levels, all candle open, close, high, low, wicks levels. But it's price action, my brother. Price action. CPAC. You heard? CPAC. You guys are going to know all about CPAC very soon. Trust me. It's going to be everywhere. It's going to be like ICT, but 100 times better and more easier to understand. Does anybody Does anybody follow Alex G? My alerts here. Sorry, Frankie. Does anybody follow Alex G? FX Alex G? Leave a like for the goat. Yeah, leave a like. Would you recommend to follow him? That's up to you. He's a trader, you know. But he's doing a set and forget. You guys might have heard of set and forget. What is your indicator? This indicator is the V5. It's based. You get two of my strategies based on two of my strategies. You get the signals, you get the levels, the data table, the entry, stop loss, take profit levels. You get the trading windows. So yeah. But yeah, he's currently doing a $100 to $1 million challenge apparently. What do you guys think about that? A $100 to a $1 million challenge. You hold classes in your mentorship group? What do you mean, JJ? Classes like live classes or what? The V5 is the GOAT. Let's go. Live will end in 5 minutes. Look at this shit. I've got to do a puzzle. I've got to do a puzzle on TikTok to show that I'm still here because it's detected inactivity. Yo, Tappa, appreciate the diamonds, man, my guy. The diamond. We appreciate the diamond. Always coming in, dropping a diamond. I appreciate you, bro. Is the V5 private? Yeah, it's part of the academy. In the academy, you get the signals channel, the V5 course, and the Discord for a very, very small price. It's not impossible, but it's very hard. Yeah. Have you ever thought about doing those trading tournaments? I haven't really. I've heard about them, but I've never really looked into it. But that'd be interesting. That would definitely be interesting. I've set a sell limit for 2440. Okay. 2440. 2440. A sell limit. 2440. Are you sure? 2440? Or did you type that wrong? I think you typed that wrong. Yeah, it will, Kerry Cosmos. It will. It does work on a free TradingView account. Yes. Like webinars for your students and probably assignments to do and stuff. Not at the moment. I don't know. Not at the moment. Is that something you guys will be interested in? Webinars? I've never really thought about that, but a lot of people ask me, to be honest. Worth every penny? Let's go. Well worth it. Improved my trading to profitable. Thank you for the kind words in the TikTok, gentlemen. Info on gold. I was looking at buys above the 2478945. This is the V5 level right here, the intraday level. But obviously price is sold off here. Now I'm just trying to wait and see what's happening. If we're going to sustain below this level, because now we've had a sharp movement down. This hasn't been a structured movement down, right? If we go onto the 5-minute time frame, this just came straight down, right? There's not really any structure, like a move down, a pull back, a move down, a pull back. This was just one sharp sell-off from the top to bottom. So now I'm just trying to figure out if price is going to stay below this level or if we're going to pop back above, because At any minute, this could just be, like I said, a 4-hour bottom wick to continue bullish, a 12-hour bottom wick to continue bullish. We just don't know yet, right? We don't want to get caught in the wrong side of the market. So we just need to wait and see. Price is currently rejecting this level, so if we start to move down, we could look at something down in these areas, but yeah, you just gotta, it's just about the waiting game right now. That was the last previous high. 2440. 2440. 2440, Cami, is all the way down here. 2440. Which is 270 pips away. Two four four zero was where price flew from yesterday. If it drops below, I expect seller. Yeah, price was there yesterday, but it's like, it's a fair bit away at the moment. What is this music? What are we listening to here, guys? What the? Ooh. Boom bap flick. Hip hop and rap. Let's see. Boom bap flick. Buy down, sell ups. Yeah, I would sit there for a few hours listening to you explain things. Oh, let's go. Let's go, Javier. Let's go. Let's take a look at the journal, actually. Let's take a quick look at the journal. This is strictly gold, right? This isn't any of my swing trades. This is strictly scalping, day trading gold. Mainly using the V5 techniques and strategies to break out the signals. So yeah, 8 trades so far in July. 67.97% win rate. Now they're still here, Laser. They're still here now. They're probably gonna stay here now at this point. They go back and forth to the UK. They have properties in the UK. That they do, like, they rent out, they Airbnb and stuff like that. So they manage. They've got people managing them now. They've give it to like an agency to manage for them, but they're looking to stay in. They want to stay in Australia. No, Cammy, if that's what you're looking at, bro, then stick with it. If that's your analysis, bro, then that's your analysis, right? Don't let me sway that. If that's what you're looking at, stick with it, bro. You come from royalty? Hell no, bro. Hell no. It's England. Where are you from, Laser? Are you from England? They went up north, bro. They went up north, so towards like Newcastle, Sunderland, in that area, and they found a lot of houses there that were. Obviously, my dad's a builder. My mum's an interior designer. So there was a lot of like broken down places that they could buy up for like 20k cash, 15k, 20k, 30k cash. These ran down, abandoned houses that needed a lot of work, which they did themselves. So they bought a few of them up for cheap, did them up, all themselves, renovated, decorated. And then some they sold, some they put on Airbnb, or some they rent, But they're not like expensive houses. They're like 20, 30k a pop. We're home in UK, Birmingham. Birmingham. All right, here we go. We're getting some bullish momentum again. Birmingham. But they can't afford to buy a house here. If they want to buy a house here, like, the prices over here are ridiculous. Especially in Melbourne, especially where they want to live. They're very beachy people. They like to be by the beach. So if they was going to buy a house anywhere near the beach, it's going to cost them like, I don't even know, like $1 million minimum. Ridiculous, man. What's up, FBI? Do you have another account on TikTok? No, I don't have any other accounts. If somebody else is messaging you, pretending to be me, yeah, they're just trying to scam you. And there's nothing I can do about it, unfortunately, because I've reported them all to TikTok, and TikTok come back and say the same thing over and over again. You know, I always report it for impersonating another person, and that person being me. And then TikTok will always come back and say, oh, we've seen your request to report this person. We've looked at their account and we've found nothing wrong. And it's like, what do you mean you found nothing wrong? This account is blatantly pretending to be me, like messaging people, trying to get people's money, but there's nothing, like, you don't see anything wrong with that. Like, it's so stupid. And the second I do, this is the difference between Instagram, right? When I do it on Instagram, I report it for being a fake account or impersonating another person. And within an hour, they ban that account. They ban it. Whereas TikTok, they're like, you know, we don't see anything. Getting the same in Perth, is it? What lot size do you use for a 10K account? Just use the lot size calculator, Samuel, and just calculate, you know, 1 to 3% of your account, and then that will tell you your lot size. But brother, this is like a sauna in here. I need to go figure out what's going on. You need to come across the WA. You won't leave. Better trading windows as well. We get both. Yeah. Western Australia. So that, like, I would, believe me, I would, but my wife's like whole family's here, and she's quite close to them, so she would not leave. TT is being controlled by AI. They want to change that. What do you mean, Crispy TT? This is the real, yeah, this is the real Cody. This is the real me. Alright. TikTok is being controlled by AI. They want to change it. Oh yeah. Yeah. And now, yeah, I get what you're saying now, Crispy. They want to change it. I hope they do change it. I hope they do. It needs it. A trading tool. That would be interesting, wouldn't it? Around Australia. How many Australian people have we actually got in here? Who's from Australia in the chat right here? Where's everybody from? Why is Masjid, I was looking for buys today, bro, above 2478945. Still potentially am. Gold can still move here. It can still start coming up. But we are rejecting these areas now. We are rejecting back below these areas, so we could see a bit of a sell-off. But oh wait, let's have a look. UK, Kenya, UK, Cape Town, Oz. So FBI is in Oz. Crispy's in Netherlands. Anthony's in Sydney. Oh, we got someone from the Maldives. What the hell? Perth, Melbourne. Maldives, South Africa. We've got a few people. We've got a few people from Australia, Melbourne. D's from Melbourne as well. You have a journal for for swing trades or just day trades? Just day trades at the moment. But yeah, I'm just getting over tax season, and then we'll have a look. All right, we'll have a look what happens after that. But man, yeah, this is the worst part of the year, man. Paying tax. Me and Laser will pay for your hotel and flights if you come to Perth to train us up. I'd love to do that, to be fair. Sugat, appreciate the follow on TikTok. From East Africa. What's East Africa, Majid? What country is that in East Africa? I don't even know there was such thing as East Africa. East Africa. Region in Africa. So what? Tanzania? So you got Tanzania, Mozambique, Kenya, Somalia, Ethiopia, the Congo, Madagascar, Zimbabwe. Dang. Is trading hard? Yeah, it's very hard. Trading is very hard. Ecuador? From Ecuador, Ellie? You and Laser worked? Oh, do you, pal? Oh, that's crazy. I did not know that. I can feel it. See. You're his boss? He's the one that put me on to you. Would shut up about you. Ah, oh, crypto. You're gonna make me blush, man. Is it possible the M5 is creating the base right now? I mean, yeah, potentially. We've had a 15 bullish closure here, but it's closed rejecting this level. So we need to see price come back above this level now. But this is a nice 4-hour wick. Still got an hour 40 left of this 4-hour candle. 12-hour bottom wick. We haven't broke structure yet on any of these time frames, so there is possibility to continue bullish. We just have to wait and see. I mean, if we start breaking these 15 highs here, USD news in an hour, yeah. I might have a man crush on Cody. Spends more time looking at your face or the V5 than he does work. Hey, you gotta be careful what you say, mate. He is your boss. Yeah, I need to go and see what. I think my wife's got the heater on like 30 degrees. I'm not even joking. Holy shit. Bro. Jesus Christ. Goofy music. I don't call my music goofy. The hell? Do you think that it will negatively affect price? What, the news coming up? I don't think it's gonna have I don't think it's gonna have a massive impact, to be honest. There might be it might bring some volume into the market, but I don't think it's gonna be. It's not something I'd be, you know, paying too much attention to be honest. Both looking for a way out. We've turned to you. Fuck. No pressure. No pressure on me there, you know. I just mentally lost it today. Made 600 on my account and then lost 800. I don't know why I traded more. Then I made it back. I need help. This happened for the first time ever. Damn, Chris. So you made 600 euros on your account, lost 800. I don't know why I traded more. Then made it back. So what? So what are you now? You're up 600 for the day or what? I mean, Chris, it happens, you know? Like, how long have you been trading for, bro? I remember those days very clearly. Trust me, I remember them. What broker do you use and what leverage do you use? I use black bull markets and I use 1 to 500 leverage. Got any jobs? Yeah, you want to come be a babysitter? Don't let us down. Fuck. Fuck. I'm a bit of a loss, but not much. Luckily, I just don't get why I traded more after the first profits. I've been trading for exactly, Chris. You've only been trading for 6-7 months. You saw what was possible from trading. You saw the profit, and you got overexcited, and you just, you know, the market humbled you basically. And everyone goes through that experience. The market will always humble you, no matter what, right? I still get humbled to this day. I've been trading for 8 years, but this is why especially when scalping and day trading, especially on gold, this is why I trade the way I do, and I've built the system that I've built because it's very easy to get carried away. And I'm sorry, you guys are just seeing like the top of my head. I'm leaning on my desk. It's very easy to get carried away when you see a bit of profit and just try and keep making it, and you think, oh, this is easy. I can just keep doing this, right? But the market will always humble you. So it's normal. You've only been trading 6-7 months. That's a very short amount of time to be in this game. You're still a baby, basically, in this game. You have a very long way to go. And just make sure you learn from these mistakes, right? And next time that happens, you need to clock it in the back of your head when you're feeling those emotions, when you're having those thoughts again next time, and you're feeling overwhelmed and you're feeling like overexcited, right? Remember this day in the back of your head and go, well, I've made profit for the day. Remember what happened last time when I got a bit overexcited. So I'm going to take this profit, I'm going to walk away, and I'm going to come back tomorrow. And that's also building your discipline, also building your confidence. So, it happens, bro. Don't beat yourself up too much about it. We all do it. We've all been there. We've all done it. Just make sure you're learning from those mistakes so that you don't keep repeating it over and over again, right? That's the important part. Do I have a Telegram link? Yeah, the Telegram link is in the link in my TikTok profile. So the free Telegram and the private Telegram. What's my analysis on gold? So today, during this stream, or when I started the stream, price was coming up here. We came down, created a nice bottom wick for the 4-hour candle, 12-hour candle, and we started to find momentum here, bullish momentum, and we started pushing up. We closed above this level right here. And so my analysis was that we've made this move up. We've created bullish market structure. We've come down, tested, created high lows, highs, and that price then can now come up and start testing into these areas, which is the 2, 4, 7, 8, 9, 4, 5. And once we get a break of this level, we can see a nice clean move to fill this range right here, which was the highs today during Asian session, like early morning as the daily candle opened, price spiked up here and made these highs. And we can go on then and break the current daily highs and continue bullish. But then obviously price has reacted, come down, you know, sold off here. So now I'm just waiting to see what happens, because my bias is bullish, right? You can see in the top right here, everything's bullish. If we go to the daily, if we go to the weekly, right? Current weekly structure is very bullish. Daily structure is very bullish. 12-hour, very bullish. 4-hour, very bullish. So I'm just looking for price to continue bullish, and I'm just trying to get in the market at certain levels where I'm comfortable getting in. And yeah, that's why I'm mainly looking at buys today. What are the lines it's sitting on? Those are the indicator key levels. How much have I grown my account? So the account is now, this is the like scalping account, right? On gold only. I've only traded gold on this and a few trades on GJ, but it's now at 71. It's now at 71. Can you profitable in 6 months with a £2,000 account? You can, but that way of looking at it is gonna land you in trouble, right? If you're starting and you're thinking about 6 months time, you shouldn't really be focusing on being profitable or making money on a $2,000 account. You should just be focused on the process, focus on building a solid plan, a solid strategy, building consistency, building discipline, learning, building your psychological strength, and just focus on building all aspects of becoming a good trader rather than just growing the profits in your account. But it is possible, yes, to be sure. In watching the chart 24/7 era, it's exhausting, no lie, but it excites me to watch candle move. I mean, have you? Yeah, if we again, I went through that stage as well. That's how I was able to learn to read price action so well. Is just when I had time to just sit and stare at the charts, especially during COVID. I didn't have my daughter yet at that point. Everyone was just in the house. Nobody was doing anything. So I just sat and watched the charts for like 10, probably more hours a day, like 10, 15 hours a day someday. I'm not even lying. So yeah, we all go through that. And it is fine. But, if you're thinking about entering trades, if you're going to look at the charts all day, look at the charts, and then an hour before you actually going to trade or enter trades, go out, maybe work out a little bit, go for a walk, get some fresh air, reset your mind, reset your vision, because staring at the same thing all day. What I've found is that when I did used to stare at the chart so much, I would just be watching candles, watching the chart. And when it actually came time to enter a trade, I would miss it because I'm just staring mindlessly at the charts, and I have been all day, and you just miss the setups then. So before like London session starts maybe, or New York session, whatever, go out for a little walk, do some workout, do some exercise, refresh the vision, the mind, before you actually trade. 10K, Christian. Don't you think it's a bit too much of an uptrend? Usually there's a correction after a spike up. No, not necessarily, Chris. No, not necessarily. And this is where a lot of traders can make mistakes. Is you know, a lot of people have that mindset of, don't, you know, oh, the market has been going up for this long, surely it has to come down at some point, so I'm going to short right here. Then what happens is the market just continues bullish or continues bearish. But until we see valid structure broken, and what I mean by that is like potentially like 12-hour daily structure broken. If we have a look at the daily time frame or even the 12-hour time frame, and we start looking at the trend right here, we can see that we made lows here on Friday. We got lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, right? So until the market takes out these lows right here at you know, like 2461880, until we take out those lows and actually break that structure, then we can see a deeper pullback, right? But as right now, things are, you know, the market is very bullish. Don't just expect it or anticipate it to just flip bearish because it's been going up for so long. Just wait for those confirmations first of all. The market can 100% sell off and start to retrace, but there's no sign of that just yet. There's no sign just yet, right? So we just need to wait and see if that actually happens. Durga, just, you'll see the link down below, bro, for the academy in the description or in the chat from the Streamlabs. You'll see it in the chat as well. What would a sign be? A sign would be by breaking significant structure, right? Like I said, either from the 12-hour time frame, we need to start breaking 12-hour lows right here. That would be a significant enough signal that we're breaking structure, and we could see a bit more of a deeper pullback to start retracing some of this move right here that has now come up and created all-time highs again. And if we're going to see that move down, just look what happened over here, right? Just always look at history, previous price action, and we take a look again, a similar move. If we have a look to here, it's in the same area, right? So this is the move right here, and we're looking at this move right here that happened before. Okay, in the same area, what happened? Price flipped bullish, right? And price is pushing up heavily right here. So we have higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, right? And higher highs. Price pushing up, creating bullish structure. And then what happens is, guess what? Price breaks that bullish structure, rejects it a couple times. But once we break it, we start closing bearish. And then eventually we get that sell-off, right? Then you get the sell-off. Price dropping down 850 pips, okay? And then the same thing happens. If you have a look down here, this is now the 12-hour time frame again. If you have a look down here, now price is in a downtrend, creating lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. And then look what happens over here. Right, if we zoom in right here, this is the most recent high in the downtrend. That gets broken, right? This high right here gets broken. And then guess what? Price starts to then move back to the upside, okay? And price pushes up from that, breaking that high 230 pips. Right, so before we see any kind of retracement or move to the downside or whatever, we need to see a break of structure, right? We need to see a break of structure first of all on a significant time frame, which in this example I showed you the 12-hour time frame, because again, you know, you could say the same thing over here, like, oh look, price is just going down heavily, going down heavily, going down heavily. And this is the 12-hour time frame. So on the 15-minute time frame, this would look, this move right here from top to bottom would look huge, right? Enormous. And let's have a look at it on the 15-minute. Let's see. Yeah, exactly. So look at this move right here, right? And you can bet, I will bet any money, right, that people had that same mentality that, oh, look at this move. I can't even fit it all into the screen because it's so big. Right, and you can guarantee that people had this same mentality of, oh, price is pushing down here, surely it can't go down much longer, so I'm going to buy. Oh, there's a pullback rejection happening here at a key level, I'm going to buy there. Guess what? Price continues bearish. Oh, now price is rejecting again and pushing bullish, I'm going to buy here. Guess what? Price continues bearish, right? Oh, now price is rejecting again and coming up here, finding support, flipping bullish. Okay, I'm going to buy here. Continues bearish. I'm going to buy here, continues bearish. I'm going to buy here, continues bearish, right? So having that mentality, having that mind frame of the market surely has to come up or has to come down at some point to retrace, it's going to end up bad more than it is good, right? It's not going to be a good experience for you. It's a bad cycle to get into. So we need to see confirmations of that first of all. Have I taken in trades today? Yeah, the trades taken today were in the signals channel were these ones, right? So here was when they were placed this morning here at 8 a.m. And then they got triggered just before at about 5ish, 4-5ish. Price pushing into profit. So Euro GBP, Euro USD, GBP USD, and USD CHF. And then we closed profit there for 1.6k right here. And this is the week so far in the signals channel, 2.6k profit. This week in the signals channel. So just be a friend with the trend. Yeah, of course, be a friend with the trend, but also understand when that trend is potentially finished, and then you can start to see reversals, right? I'm all for trading the trend, but spotting that reversal as well. But you have to wait for those higher time frame confirmations first of all, that break of structure to the downside or to the upside. But yeah, unfortunately, we might not get buys here today. This was the only really trade I'm interested in right now, is buys above the 2478945 at the moment. And now price has come down here. It's kind of messing around these key levels here. So yeah, not much I can do about that. This is what trading is all about, just being patient, waiting for the right setups. I was actively looking at trades earlier during the trading window. But yeah, no entries below here. There was the sell signal. From the indicator, which dropped about 36 pips, and then there was also the buy signal, which drove about 45 pips. But yeah, nothing yet so far at the moment. What's up, Torsi? How are you, Torsi? Hear me, appreciate the follow. Manish, appreciate the follow. Yeah, I need a tea, bro. I need a tea. My throat, my nose is fucked, man. Like, it's so blocked. Yo, Danru, appreciate the sub on YouTube. Blade, appreciate the sub on YouTube. Let's go. Let's go, main. Let's go, main. I need something, man. I need something to get me out of this this slump. I need something to get me out of this slump. I'm like, my nose, my throat. Been like a week, man. It's not budging. So you want a continuing trend over 12 hours? Not over 12 hours, but the 12-hour time frame, right? This 12-hour time frame is a very powerful time frame if you know how to utilize it. But yeah, break of structure levels here, daily break of structure as well. You can also use the daily time frame, right? As we can see, if we look at the daily, a daily break of structure would be a significant signal of trend reversal, right? If we go back over to that same example that I showed you guys on the 12-hour time frame, look at this, right? Price is coming up. We got lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. And then you get the break of those high lows right there with this bearish candle come down and spikes out. So it breaks that structure. And then over the next 2 days, you sell off heavily, right? You sell off heavily. 800 pips, right? So that's that daily break of structure. So similar to the 12-hour, right? And then have a look at what is happening currently, right? We were creating market structure since bullish market structure since the 9th of July. So we've got higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. Now potential new higher lows right here, okay? So in order to see a reversal from even from the daily perspective, now we've got higher lows down here, or we can wait for today's potential higher lows to see if we're going to get that spike out tomorrow, and then we can see that reversal. But until then, the market is very bullish, right? And there's no need to be, obviously we can look at short-term sales, right? I was looking at sales today, short-term sales in here. During the first trading window, I was looking at trades below this key level right here, the indicator key level, down at 2464, right below this area. I was looking for short-term sales, down back into the 2450125 area. But in terms of like long-term, like the overall trend that we're talking about, that we can clearly see on the chart right here, there's no signs of that changing just yet. No significant signs. All right. Nice. And but yeah, that's my idea for as of right now. The only thing I'm really looking at is 4-hour, 12-hour bullish continuations, and that would be above the 2478945, right? Based on the previous 4-hour being bullish, and then this current 4-hour continuing bullish, and the previous 12-hour being bullish, and the current 12-hour continuing bullish. And then looking for your entries above these key levels, looking for break and taps, breakouts, price action, candle pattern setups to get our entries. But that's what I was looking for, is above there. What pair gold? Yeah, this is gold. Oh. Yo, Scientific MV, appreciate the diamonds. I just saw that, my bad. The diamond. But yeah, I reckon that's me done, guys. I reckon that's me done. Like, I can barely fucking breathe right now. My nose is just like super blocked. I'm gonna go have a shower. But yeah, look out for the buys above 2478945. I'm gonna be waiting for that for the next hour. I'll wait for that for the next hour. If not, then we're getting too close to the New York session, like pre-New York session, New York session open, and then I'll wait for that to pass. Wait for the London session volume to pass. Then I'll look to start jumping in again after that. But yeah, I reckon that's that. I've got my alert. I'm going to set the alert right now, actually. I'm going to set the alert right now at this level. So if price comes up to here, I'm going to get a notification on my phone, and I know I can start looking at the buys above this area then. Is that a bull flag? I have no idea. I don't really trade bull bear flags or something like that. But yeah, we've also got news in about 45 minutes as well. So the closer we get to that, the more it's like, you know, it's more of a yeah, nah. You know what I mean? You know, one of them? A yeah, nah. Possible 2-5 by the end of this week. 2-5. Yeah, it's definitely possible for sure. Wait. I mean, yeah, it's gold. You know, it's possible, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Bull flag happened last night before it broke out on the 15-minute. Look at 2440. That's a couple times people have mentioned 2440 now. Talking about this right here. Yeah, it's a 15-minute. Selling or buying? I'm looking for buys above 2478.945. 2478.945. Anybody using XNES? How is the bro? I'm not using XNES. I heard a lot of people use XNES though. When are we buying? I'm looking for buys above 2478.945. You guys on TikTok want to see all the levels and want to see the full chart? Come over to YouTube, Forex with Cody. You'll be able to see all the levels we're looking at. Chart. GBP CAD. I had like 3 people coming into the chat today asking me to look at GBP CAD. What's happening with GBP CAD? GBP CAD, where are you, brother? Oh yeah, we have buys on this week. I'm pretty sure. Did we? We have buys on this week. Yeah, we did. GBP CAD right here. I actually got out a small loss. Look at that. But we got the direction correct. Look at that, man. We got the direction correct. Beautiful. I mean, yeah, this is just pushing. So look at the 3-month. 3-month coming into this huge level right here of resistance. Tapping in. Interesting. Monthly. Yeah, monthly's coming into these areas. I mean, this thing is just going. It's just going. How did the swings go this week actually? The weekly outlooks. How did the weekly outlooks go this week? That I posted in the free Telegram. Oh my god. Okay, so that's BTC. Let's have a look. CHFJPY. Did I do that one? I was looking for, what was I looking for there? No, maybe I wasn't looking at that one. This one? Wasn't looking at that one. This one? It is loading. Wasn't looking at that one. Oh, here we go. Here we go. All right. So I was looking at buys on Euro NZD for a retest in this level. I mean, we got the buys, got the direction correct, but price didn't come down and tap into the 177470 level. That would have been no entry. Oh, nice. Look at that. We was looking at sales on CAD CHF. We did get the break and retest of this level, which I was anticipating, the 0.65534 level. So the break and the retest of this right here. If I move all this crap out the way, you'll be able to see the beautiful break, retest right there. Break, retest, spike, and then price sold off. Look at that. Beautiful. W analysis. S&P 500. I was looking for a retest of this level, the 5578.6 level, before continuing bullish. Again, we got the analysis correct. We got the direction correct, but price didn't come and tap into this level. gbpjpy, same thing. Price is kind of just consolidated actually, but it's coming down into this level now. The 1.15 thousand level. What's this? USD CHF. Yeah, sales. That's the sales that we caught yesterday in the today, sorry, right here, USD CHF. These sales, $830. These are the sales we caught in the signals channel yesterday. And here was the setup sent in the free Telegram this week. Free Telegram right here. All the setups sent out for the week. Lots of them. Lots of free setups for you guys for the week in the free Telegram. So yeah, W. Nice trade there on USD CHF. AUD JPY again. Looking for sales this week. And as you can see, price sold off. Didn't quite get the tap into this level. Maybe slightly just in here when the market opened. Probably not enough for an entry, but yeah. W analysis again. Got the direction, about 200 pips there. Got the analysis, the direction correct. It just didn't get the entries in there yet. Euro JPY, looking at sales from this level. Beautiful. As you can see, price sold off straight from that level this week. Did spike above it, but then eventually we got that closure below. And sold off from that level, 190 pips. Correct analysis and direction again. Same thing on GBP AUD. I was looking at sales from this level. We didn't get entries though. But again, I was looking for buys, right? Sorry, not sales. I was looking for buys from this level, but didn't get an entry. Price just continued bullish. With a correct analysis, correct direction again. Euro USD, nothing on that. NZD-CHF. Did I have anything here? Obviously not. Obviously not. And AUD USD. Okay, so one that I didn't get right. Out of like 12 trades, 11 correct, 1 wrong. Not bad. Not bad, not bad. So I was looking for a retest in here to continue bullish. Price just came up, broke it, closed below, and now it's retesting to continue bearish potentially from here. But yeah, W analysis again from the free Telegram channel. W. What platform do I use? This is TradingView, and I enter on the broker Black Bull. You'll find the link for Black Bull in the link in my profile. Is there any news today? Yeah, there's news coming up in about half an hour on USD. It is red folder news, but I wouldn't say it's something I'm concerned about at all. While my trading, this is gold, XAU USD. Alright guys, I'm done. I'm still going to look for buys above this area for now, but unfortunately no trade today on gold. So Kind of just played around, didn't really give too much, but a great day in the signals channel. Great day in the signals channel. We took trades on Euro GBP, USD CHF, GBP USD, and Euro USD. We got a nice profit of 1.6 there, okay, for the day. And then overall for the week so far, 2.6. Very nice. Very nice. That's just in 1 week right there, 2.6k. So beautiful. I'm done. I am done. I'll see you guys on Friday. Fortunately, we couldn't get buys above here today. Is what it is. That's trading for you. It can't always go your way. Can't always get what you want. That's where you have to be patient, be disciplined, and you know, keep that consistency and not just lose focus, lose sight of the goals, and you know, stay on track. Stay on track. Don't make mistakes. We will come back tomorrow. We have swing trade tomorrow. Potentially, yeah. I'll have to have a look at the markets in the morning when I wake up, and I'll see what's happening, and yeah, I'll potentially send out a couple of trades tomorrow, a couple of signals. But like I said, I have to wait and see. But yeah, all right, guys, appreciate you. Cheers for the stream. Hope you're feeling better by then. Peace out. Peace out, Laser Crypto. Do we have any news on Friday? We got any? I don't think we do. I think we're pretty smooth sailing on Friday. Yeah, fine. All right, guys. Yo, Anu, appreciate the follow on TikTok. I'll see you guys on Friday. I'll see you all the members in the Discord and in the Telegram tomorrow, maybe for some more trades. We'll see. But I mean, this week so far has been crazy. It's been crazy already. We still have a trade on USD CAD going actually. How's that looking? A little bit of drawdown right now. $100 drawdown. About 9 pips drawdown. So we'll see how this plays out here on USD CAD. We've got news though. I might actually close this before news. That could be, yeah. Yeah, let's see. I might actually close this trade before news, guys. So just get ready, all right? You can even close it now if you want to. All right. Appreciate you, Mike. I'll see you guys on Friday. Peace out. Peace out. Have a good rest of your day. Have a good Thursday. I'll see you guys on Friday.